For me, the reason I joined you is not only for the sales, but also for myself, no? The change that I wanted to have, to see on me, I already see it.
Yeah.
So for me, it's so important, the change that I'm seeing on myself, even in my relationship with my friends. I have recovered some of my friends that I wasn't able to speak with them in a while because of what I was thinking, in how I see myself in many things. So I have wrote like my feedback, but I wanted to also add this this win, no? Because obviously people also want to know everybody. I imagine that not everybody that joined you want to see the change that I want to see in myself.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
They also want to see money. I want to see money too, but for me now, I'm less worried. I think I'm gonna get it. The same like I got.
Well, that's the thing. It's a two-step process. You need to sort out confidence and mindset before you get open up to receiving money as well.
Yeah, but I feel like people don't give that value to the mindset. Don't think that the mindset is linked to the money. I'm very hopeful because my mindset have changed, and I can see in myself that even I'm not doing it still. I can see now in myself that I'm capable to do it, no?
Yeah, but yeah, that's good. I have complimented that multiple times as well, that I've seen, and you're kind of like, imagine it like a flower in winter opening up, blossoming, and that's what's happened to you with your confidence and things.
Yeah, I don't know if you have the time to see the reel I posted today. I see in that reel my change.
Yeah.
So I see all this on me, and even I think my husband, after these 3 weeks that he's been out, he even see my change.
Yeah.
And all that's before maybe I was always worried, always I don't know, seeing the bad side, no, of the movie, like kind of. I just need to look. My clips are here. I just need to make this happen as well.
Need to move them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
but that's great.
Yes,
it's great to hear that. Because that's the key. That's what I did for myself first. I worked on myself, and then the business followed. Jim Rohn, my biggest mentor in my life, he says, for things to change, you must change. And that's what's happened.